Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video I want to show you Emacs Calculator. So this morning I was having to do some calculations and I thought Emacs must have a calculator mode, and it does. To get to it, type Alt-X and just type in calc and hit return. Okay, and this is Emacs Calculator mode. Okay, so let's say I wanted to add two numbers. Well, I could do the two numbers I want to add, let's say are 5 and 6. Very easy, but it'll demonstrate some of the capabilities of this calculator. So I'm going to hit 5 and hit return, and then 6 and return, and then I'm going to type in the plus symbol, and I get the result 11. Let's say I wanted to divide 11 by 2. Well, I'd type 2, hit return, and then hit the slash under the question mark, and I get 5.5. Now what if I wanted to square that? Well, I could hit 2, enter, and then shift 6, which will give me the caret, and I get 5.5 squared, which is 30.25. If I wanted the value of pi, I could go and do shift P, and that would give me the value of pi. Let's say I wanted to raise pi to the pi power. Well, I could do shift P again, and then shift 6, and that would give me pi raised to the pi power. Pretty sweet. Let's say I wanted to take the square root of 625. I type 625, hit enter, and then shift Q, and that gives me 25. There's a ton of stuff you can do with this calculator. I'm going to leave a link to the documentation in the description, but I just wanted to show you some of the cool little things that you could do with it. You can do adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, then square roots and raising numbers to powers, but there's a lot more. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.